Hello, I'm Elizabeth Hanlon.
I'm Kara Reeves, Mr. Awadala. We are in your 169 spring class, and this is our fetal pig dissection.
And we will start.
Okay. And we have a male pig, so we do not have to identify the urogenital papillae.
Here's the umbilical cord.
Right here. Okay. And here is the tongue. Here is hard palate, and underneath is the soft palate. And underneath that is epiglottis. It's very short.
After that, we have to identify the pharynx, which is actually behind the esophagus, way back here.
Yep, there it is. Got it.
And the larynx, which is actually above, which is kind of the...
Yep, it's right there, that hard structure.
Mm-hmm.
And then right below that is the trachea with the striped, the ribbed.
Actually, he wants the esophagus first. See, pharynx and then larynx, which identify the esophagus.
Here's the esophagus. Is behind larynx.
Mm-hmm. And then the trachea.
Yep. Pull that out. See esophagus, and then the trachea with the ridges again.
Okay, and then the bronchi.
Bronchi is the lungs, and it is right there.
Which brings us to the lungs.
Yes.
Which is this one here, and then
yep, surrounding the heart.
Mm-hmm. Which that's what's next, the heart. And then the diaphragm, which is below the heart.
Which is cut a little bit, but it is this tiny piece right here.
It's like thin.
Yeah.
And then that brings us to the liver.
This right here.
Big structure. Mm-hmm. And underneath it, and then Carol will have to point it out because it's kind of hidden down there. It's green and it's small.
It's right here. Oh, actually I kind of pulled it out. Okay.
And then brings us to the stomach.
Right here is the sac. Big sac. And then we have the duodenum.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, right here. This flap.
No. The duodenum is part of the, remember the long tube? It goes from the stomach to the intestines. It's right...
Oh.
Ooh.
Yep. Okay.
Right there.
Right there. Sorry.
That tube right there.
Okay.
Which brings us to the small intestines.
Just this big bundle.
From the small intestines to the pancreas.
It is right here. It's like kind of yellowish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like a lot of fat.
Yeah. And then that's the spleen.
Yeah, this is a spleen.
Sorry.
There it is.
Yep, that is like the flat, thin paper-like.
Mm-hmm. And then the rectum.
Okay, is this green tube, long green tube.
Yeah. There it is.
See it. It's kind of hard to notice.
Mm-hmm.
Not notice.
And then kidneys.
The kidneys are one on each side. 1, 2.
And the urinary bladder, which we kind of cut off when we were...
too deep.
Yeah, we cut a little too deep, but the urinary bladder was actually, since we do have a male, it was actually part of the penis on the pig, and it kind of flapped off, and it's not, again, we cut it off. Which is, here's the penis of our pig. Mm-hmm. And then right below that,
the 2 testes, 1 and 2.
Again, we have a male pig.
Yep.
And those are the testes.
Okay.
So that pretty much sums up, I think.
The ureters.
Oh yeah, the ureters, sorry.
1. Which are connected to the kidney is 1 and 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's it. Thank you.